Hello everyone, in the last video we learned the make 10 rule for 9, 8, 7. Today let's learn the make 10 rule for 6, 5 and 4. Remember, when you know this rule, maths becomes easy and fun. For 6, takes 4 to make 10. For 5, takes 5 to make 10. For 4, takes 6 to make 10. Now let's look at some examples. 4 plus 6 plus 3. First 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then add 6. For 6, take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 10 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13. Answer is 13, right? Next, 7 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1. 7, 5, 6, 7 plus 2, 1, 2 plus 6. For 6, take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 10 plus 1. 10, 15, 16. Answer is 16. Next, 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3. Add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5 plus 6. For 6, take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 10 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Answer is 18. Now 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 6. For 6, take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 10 plus 3. 1, 2, 3 plus 1. Let's count. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Answer is 19, right? Next, 9 plus 5 plus 5. First 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Add 5. For 5, take 5. Add 10 plus 5. Let's count. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Answer is 19. Okay. Next, 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 5. Take 5. Add 10 plus 7. You remember, plus 7. For 7, take 3. 1, 2, 3. Add 10 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 10, 20, 21, 23, 24. So answer is 24, right? Next, 9 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6. First 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For 5, take 5. Add 10 plus 5 plus 6. For 6, take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 10. Answer is 25. 25. Answer is 25. Next, 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8. First add 7. 5, 6, 7 plus 5. For 5, take 5. Add 10 plus 6. 5, 6 plus 8. For 8, take 2. 1, 2. Add 10. Answer is 25, 6, 26. Right? Next, 6 plus 4 plus 5. Add 6. 5, 6 plus 4. For 4, take 6. Add 10 plus 5. Let's count. 10 plus 5, 15. Answer is 15, right? Next, 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5. 1 plus 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 4. For 4, take 6. 5, 6. Add 10 and then add 5. Answer is 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Answer is 18, right? Next, 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6. 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 5 plus 4, 4, 4, take 6, add 10 plus 6, 5, 6. Answer is 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Answer is 18, right? Next, 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5. First add 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 4, take 6, 5, 6, add 10 plus 6, 5, 6 plus 5, take 5, add 10. Answer is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Answer is 23, right? Great job, everyone. Today we learned the make 10 rule. Yes, you have to remember 6 needs 4, 5 needs 5, 4 needs 6. Practice every day and enjoy maths. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy maths. See you next time. Bye bye.